Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 30 to November 5, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow na rin ako, pa-follow like na rin ang aking Facebook page at ang aking TikTok. Lahat po yan ay Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang aking mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So ito yung Scorpio bracelet. Ayan, meron tong smoky quartz, black obsidian, at citrine na nag-align sa energies ng mga Scorpio. Link on the description. Yan. Available yan sa aking Shopee. So let's begin, Scorpio. What is up for you this week? Scorpio, you have the Knave of Wands, the Hanged Man, the Temperance, Five of Coins. Okay. Meron kayong ayaw aksyonan. Parang gusto nyo na subukan, pero it seems na hindi kayo ready to take action. This can be a new career or a business or even a romantic connection. But for some of you, this can mean related sa finances ninyo sa trabaho, sa career. Parang tinitingnan mo pa. You want to make sure kasi, ayaw mong mag-fail itong endeavor na to, itong project na to, itong trabaho na to, itong business na to. Ayaw mong mag-fail. You have the Five of Coins here. Merong challenges sa finances ninyo. For some of you, maaring meron kayong pagtitipid na gagawin ngayong week na to. You have the Seven of Swords. I feel like someone is close to you na pwedeng meron ditong hindi genuine or hindi totoo sa'yo. Oo. I feel like someone is envious. May naiinggit. Oo. Naiinggit sa galing mo, naiinggit sa sa looks mo. Kasi some of you are really very talented. Oo, parang kayo ay center of attention. And it seems like yung iba very competitive sa'yo. And some of them are questioning your talents, questioning your skills. And pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka ng mga yan. At sinasabi nila na, si Scorpio hindi naman ganun kagaling. Pero bakit ganun? Bless siya. Kasi, you are minding your own business, di ba? So, itong mga to, they are, always looking for, parang laging kino-compare nila yung sarili nila sa iba. And I feel like you are someone na parang kahit anong pasukin mo na business or career, trabaho, projects, na pagtatagumpayan mo. Kasi some of you are really very creative. So, yun nga lang, be careful with the people na, ipapaligid mo sa sarili mo kasi some of them are not really your true friends. Some of them are competition. They see you as a competition. The fates. May mga fated events na mangyayari sa inyo this week na kung saan you will feel good about this. Pwedeng meron kayong achievement, meron kayong wish fulfillment, no? May matutupad kayo na wish. And your instinct is going to be really on point. Like, halos, nababasa mo na yung iniisip ng ibang tao sa'yo. Oo. Kaya I think yung iba sa inyo didistansya sa mga yan, no? Lalo na kung makaramdam ka ng parang something's negative energy dito sa taong to. You are also going to be focusing on the people na totoo sa'yo. Someone that are loyal to you. And of course, merong ganon. Merong tao talaga na who really care about you. At doon ka mag-focus. Someone who really appreciates you. Mararamdaman mo naman yan if someone is jealous or envious of you. Sa facial expression pa lang malalaman mo na sa mata pa lang kung genuine ba yung happiness nila every time na meron kang mga achievements or may nakikita silang something good that is happening sa'yo. You have Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house. 11th house is about your community, your friendship. I think yung iba sa inyo meron kayong level of fame. Oo, may kasikatan, oo. May mga nakakakilala sa inyo. Like, pwedeng you are being recognized sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, sa business. You have Mercury in Gemini in the 3rd house. Merong good news talaga rito, no? Pwedeng ang bearer nito, ang bringer of the good news ay kapatid ninyo or kaibigan ninyo. Or pwedeng good news sa inyo kahit hindi sa inyo nangyayari, pero someone na malapit sa inyo. So, somehow you feel good about it kasi you are celebrating the success of others. You have Jupiter in Scorpio in the 8th house, manipulation. Meron ditong nagtatry na parang ipakita sa iyo na they are loyal or they are your real friends. Pero 'di ba, action speaks louder than words. So, malalaman mo 'yan, mararamdaman mo 'yan kung talagang sila ba talaga ay totoo sa'yo. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. I-challenge mo pa yung sarili mo pagdating sa career, sa business, sa trabaho mo. Yung mga bagay na akala mo hindi mo kayang gawin, pero kaya mo. There are consequences. I think tinan mo, may nang sasabotahe sa'yo sa trabaho. Someone na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Be careful, Scorpio. Yung tipong kala mo susuportahan ka, yung pala naghihintay sila na bumagsak ka. Let's see naman sa love. Oops, okay. Sa love. Even sa love, merong deception, trapped. I think some of you are dealing with someone na hindi niya ma-express yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Pwedeng merong complicated situation sa sitwasyon niya. Pwedeng meron na tong karelasyon or meron siyang obligasyon sa iba. Surrender. Stop trying to control life. It gets in the way of divine intervention. Yes. Kapag may mga bagay daw na beyond your control, isurrender mo lang. Kasi, masistress ka lang kapag sinubukan mong i-control ang isang situation. Just lift it all up to God, to the universe. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.